Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to discuss about polynomials. Now let's start with the definition of polynomial. A polynomial is an algebraic expression where each term is a constant, a variable, or a product of a constant and variable in which the variable has a whole number or non-negative number exponent. A polynomial can be a monomial, binomial, trinomial, or a multinomial. And these are the examples of polynomials. But before that, remember, an expression is not a polynomial if first, there is a variable in the denominator of a given expression. Second, if there is a variable inside the radical expression or sign. Third, if the variable has a negative or fractional exponents. And these are the examples of not polynomial. So first is the x minus y over x. Hindi siya polynomial kasi ang kanyang denominator ay variable o letter. Same with 7 over x. So tandaan, kapag ang isang given ay may denominator na variable or letter, it is not considered as polynomial. Next is yung 3 square root of x. It is also not a polynomial because there is a letter inside the radical. Another one is 5x raised to negative 2. Since ang exponent niya ay negative, kaya siya ay naging not a polynomial. So tandaan na dapat positive lang ang kanyang exponent. And lastly is x raised to 1/2. Fraction naman ang kanyang exponent, kaya hindi siya polynomial. Pero what if ang exponent na to ni x ay 4 over 2? So hindi na ba siya polynomial? Siyempre, if the fraction or yung exponent ay kayang isimplify para maging positive number or positive whole number, it is considered as polynomial. Kasi kung halimbawa ang exponent ng x ay 4 over 2, ibig sabihin nun, di ba, 4 divided by 2? So the answer is 2. So ibig sabihin yung x raised to 4 over 2 is also the same with x raised to 2. So, tandaan ang mga dahilan para ang isang expression ay maging not a polynomial. Next. A polynomial may be classified according to the number of terms. Monomial, it is a polynomial with one term. Binomial, a polynomial with two terms. Trinomial, a polynomial with three terms. And multinomial, it is a polynomial with more than 3 terms. So let's go back to these following examples of polynomial. In this given, 8ab squared c and x squared is classified as monomial because it only has one term. And then, yung 4x plus 3, 3x minus 1, negative 10xy plus 5, and 3x squared y plus 5xy squared are classified as binomial because it has two terms. Next is yung 5x squared minus 3x plus 4 and 5x plus 2y minus 3z is an example of multinomial because it has 3 terms. And if the given polynomial has more than 3 terms, that is classified as multinomial. Now, let's proceed to the degree of a monomial. So when we say degree of a monomial, it is a total number of times its variable occur as a factor. For example, we have negative 5ab squared c cubed. So ano ba ang degree or exponent ng mga variable na nasa given? So there is 1, 2, 3. So remember, if ang variable na nasa given ay walang nakikitang exponent, meron niyang 1 ha, then after that, kapag nakuha na natin yung degree ng isang monomial, we are going to add. So i-add lang natin siya. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6. Therefore, the degree of the monomial is 6. How about if we are going to get the degree of a polynomial? So, pag sinabi naman natin degree of a polynomial, it is the greatest of the degrees of its term. So, for example, we have a squared b plus a squared b squared minus ab. Now, para malaman natin yung degree of a polynomial, get the degree of the first term. So, ano ba ang degree ng first term muna? Yung a squared b. So, 3. Bakit siya naging 3? 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. May exponent yung a which is 2 and the exponent of b is 1. So, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Now, get the degree of the second term. So, a squared b squared. So, what is the exponent or the degree? 2 and 2. So, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. That's why the degree of that term is 4. Now, how about sa third term, which is yung AB? So, ano yung exponent ng AB? They have both 1 as an exponent. So, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So, then after we get the exponent of each term, check mo kung sino ang may pinakamataas na degree. So, we are going to find the highest degree or the greatest degree in the given polynomial. So, the answer is 4. So, therefore, the degree of the polynomial is 4. So, that's how we get the degree of a monomial and the degree of polynomial. So, that's all for today. Next lesson is evaluation of algebraic expression. Thank you for watching. Happy learning, everyone!